Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at RouterCAM's tool list. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on RouterCAM's features, and today we're going to be looking at the tool list. You can also find relevant links in the description if you want to follow along. So now when it comes to the tool list, this will be the cutting types and that you'll be setting up, and the bits for all your different operations you get here under your tool part. So if you're doing drilling, you can set up custom ones versus, let's say, laser cutting, plasma, milling, and so forth. So in order to set up custom tools, what you can do is under your tool path, we've got this little tool over here which looks a bit like a screw, and then if you click this, it will open up your tool list. Now, as you guys can see here on the left, we've got our different tools. So tool N01 D equals 1 millimeter. Now if we go on the right here, we can see all its parameters. So now you've got your name, you've got your tool number. Number is always a very nice one, so that if you know, okay, cool, on this job I use number 2 or number 3, whatever, so you can just easy reference. Then we also have the diameter, we've got cutting depth, path spacing, feed rate, plunge feed rate, and then also spindle speed, which all of these can be set up. You can obviously customize the default ones, but what I would recommend is you just make a new one if you have something else you have in mind. On the bottom left here, we've got these new two little options. The first one's to add one, other one's to remove whichever one is selected. So let us add a new one, and then we click on it to change its parameters. I'm just going to leave everything as is, this new tool, and then if you're happy after you've set it up, you just say save. Then it is now saved. So if you want to access that actual tool, let's say you click on an operation, if I select something, and then click on anyone for now, and then here under the tool on the settings, you can now see we have the new one there, new tool 5. If you click that, it will load that tool's parameters. So yeah, that is it on the tools. Obviously if you want to edit or delete it, you can just go back there, click tool, change it, or delete. Then I will click save. Otherwise, that is it on the tool list. It's rather simple to use, but it's very necessary in your actual projects. Otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.